If you have your heart set on finding a Starbucks job, you shouldn't have too much trouble finding a location. The coffee giant has more than 32,000 stores in 80 countries. But have you brewed up a resume that will impress? Let me get this order started. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 3 things you need to know to land a job at Starbucks. Let's get started. Before we get into my top 3 tips, let's quickly talk about your visual presentation. Starbucks gets about 1 million applicants a year, so you need to stand out. Start with a well-organized layout that includes clear section titles. That makes it simple for the Starbucks hiring manager to find the information they're looking for. You'll also want to include an eye-catching header that draws the hiring manager to your name and contact information. Get a head start with the adaptable Starbucks resume example in the link below. All right, now we're ready to discuss the content of your Starbucks resume. Here are my top 3 pieces of advice to help you stand out. Number 1, show your personality. Use the 3 to 4 sentences of your summary to convey your warmth, as well as your top skills and experiences. A compelling summary encourages the hiring manager to read the rest of your resume. And number 2, name transferable skills. Starbucks baristas work in a fast-paced, team-driven environment. Use your employment history section to show that you can keep up and keep smiling. And if you want Starbucks to be your first job, use your academic experiences to prove you've got what it takes to make a great latte. And number 3, make it clear you want the job. It's a smart idea to add the name of the Starbucks barista position to your resume header. This is one of the simplest ways to signal to the hiring manager that you're truly excited to work at Starbucks. Our online resume builder makes that change a breeze. You're well on your way to wearing that green apron. Make sure to like and subscribe for even more videos on whipping up a great application. Now it's time to go out there and get that Starbucks job.